You are about to level up your trading, because in this video I have got an awesome indicator to show you that targets powerful smart money price action systems to make you profitable. So hit the like button, sit back, and let's get straight into it. Now, this indicator has so much to offer, from strategy types to setups to actual settings, and today I'm going to show you some of its best features. So first things first, let's make sure we're on TradingView. You can use the free version of TradingView, as we will only be using this single indicator. Now, if you don't know, Smart Money Concepts and ICT is trading in a way to have an edge over the market. We can use this edge to almost predict where price is going based on retail trading movement and other factors. But all you need to know is that this indicator has all of the major smart money concepts for perfect trading you could ever need. So let's get this added to our chart and I'll show you how. So click on the indicators tab at the top left of the screen or down at the bottom on mobile, and we're going to search for the price action toolkit indicator. Click once and add it to your chart. The first feature we are going to check out is the volumetric fair value gaps. This is a great tool that plots fair value gaps and shows the volume inside the zone for both bullish and bearish price movement. This is great for avoiding those bad value gaps. And if you open the settings, you can also see here that you can choose between candle closures or wicks above or below the zone. There is also a feature to view these fair value gaps on higher time frames. So if you trade multiple time frames, this is an awesome feature to have. Another awesome feature is that the price action toolkit indicator utilizes buy side and sell side zones. These are lines drawn on the chart to mark price liquidity, and it spots these zones very well. The buy side zone represents where traders that are shorting the market have their stop losses placed, and the opposite for the sell side. The sell side traders have their stop losses at this zone for their long positions. Order blocks are areas in the market where both buyers and sellers are aggressively stepping in. These order blocks use volumetric information and will show you bullish versus bearish volume for each zone marked. Just like the fair value gaps, these can also be viewed across multiple time frames, helpful for seeing what's really going on in the market. In addition to this, there is a breaker blocks feature. These occur when the order block becomes invalidated. These breaker blocks can be used to spot price reversals in the market. These also show the total volume of the zone and will help you determine if it's valid for your trade. If you're trading smart money or ICT concepts, then this indicator has all the features you could ever need, like break of structure, for example. This indicator will plot at the exact price that a break of structure occurs on the chart. This helps with spotting trends and planning potential trades. This indicator also offers a change of character market setup. These Kosh setups paint on the chart when recent highs or lows get broken during an uptrend or downtrend. These powerful setups can be utilized by traders to spot market reversals or changes in trend in price. Another feature for this indicator that's very useful for trading is the added equal highs and lows. This indicator will show you on the chart exactly where equal highs and lows form. This tool can be used as a strong indication of the market reversing, and depending on your trading type, you can also use the ATR tab in the settings to increase or decrease how often they occur. If you lower the ATR multiplier, you will see less equal levels painted on the chart, but the ones that do paint will be much more accurate. And finally, there are three more awesome features that this indicator is jam-packed with. These are key levels, volume imbalances, and premium or discounted zones. The key level feature indicates levels in the market where price is likely to have a strong reaction at. This includes previous day, previous week, previous month, or even pre-market. The volume imbalances form where there's also a gap between two candle bodies. Typically, these gaps become filled by future price, which means that we can use these to plan trades for where price is expected to go. And last but certainly not least, we have the premium and discount zones. These zones show when price is discounted, or a better known area where an asset is much cheaper than usual, and the premium zones show where an asset is more expensive. So if you are learning or trading smart money concepts, then this is definitely an indicator that you need to level up your trading. You can add this indicator to your chart by joining FLUX CHARTS today in the link below. They do offer both free and premium indicators for you to start using today, both of which are all amazing. So click the link below and use the 7-day completely free trial and get this added to your trading arsenal today. Or sign up right now and use code MO at checkout for 20% off. But thank you very much for watching. I have an awesome trading strategy coming tomorrow, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that, and I will see you all in the next video.